Hey, what is up guys? That is Diablo363, and in front of me is something that I actually ordered on Amazon, and its general function is to control temperatures from heat pads or any form of heating. It was advertised on Amazon being mainly for plants, but people had commented saying that they used it for reptile heat mats and light sources and things like that. And recently I got myself a ball python, because as I'm slowly getting back into keeping reptiles and all of that again. So today's video is basically unboxing this and showing you how it works. Hopefully this is something that helps some of you out, but as I've said before, its general function is when you plug in a heat source, in this case it'll be a heat mat. When a heat mat is attached to this device, if it reaches a certain level of a certain temperature, it will turn the heat mat off, and when it drops below that temperature, it'll turn the heat mat back on. As some of you do know, with certain heating materials, specifically heat mats, there's a chance of them sometimes malfunctioning and they burn right through whatever tub or container you've got, and in some cases even starting a fire. Part of what I got for Christmas finally is a proper unboxing knife, which is this chap here. So far it's been working really well. It actually comes with a light and a fire starter, but my amazing fiance got that for me. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is gonna unbox this and we'll go from there. Alright guys, now that that's unboxed, there's actually no need for me to use my knife on this, because it seems that if I just pop the top here, it should open up. And yeah, it does. This is the device here. I'm going to get a close with that. Heat mat thermostat, jump start. I will post a link to this at the bottom of the video for those of you who perhaps want to get it. Any instructions there? No. But it looks like we've got instructions here, instruction manual, alongside the actual device. Let's get it out of this container and go from there. Okay, so obviously that part goes into the wall socket, and you put your heat mat or whatever device you're using in there, and you set it using this device. Click set, and there you go, and it seems to have the option of either using Fahrenheit or Celsius. As I've said, I will post this link in the bottom of the video. I'm not sure if you get this on Amazon UK or Amazon DE, which is Germany, or any one of those, but I know in the US store it's definitely there. And I think I picked this up for about $23. So what I'm thinking is, I'm going to probably mount it sort of on the wall, either there or probably on the back, on the second pole there. I'm going to get this mounted, I'm going to get it set up, and then I will resume the video so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay guys, so quick little note while I was setting this up. Every plug in my house is 3-prong, besides that one right there on the wall. This is a 3-prong. So I'm going to go get an adapter, and then hopefully we can get this thing working. At the moment it does look messy, but I'm going to fix it up before I resume this video. At the moment that sort of goes all the way down there and into the substrate where the heating pad is. Can we see there's the ball python. His name's Dexter. Dex, what you up to? And Dexter's going back into his hide. Obviously came out for a look-see. So what we'll do is, hopefully we'll get that back up and running. As you can see, the prong is in the substrate, because that's obviously where the heat's mainly coming from. And as I said, once I get the adapter back, we can hopefully resume this video. Bye-bye. Okay guys, I have it now set up. And first of all, the 2-prong system adapter at Dollar General was pretty cheap. It was like $8, and that fixed that issue. But here is the system. So I've just turned it on. It's currently inside there at 69.F. 69.4 Fahrenheit, and yeah, obviously you have the option of changing it to Celsius. I've set it to 78 Fahrenheit is where it goes off. As you can see, I've just held that set button down for 3 seconds, and that's basically how you set it to what you want to be. And then when you've chosen what you want, you just press set again, and there you go. It stops right there. As I said, it's a pretty nice system. It keeps things pretty much in check quite nicely. I should be getting another ball python pretty soon, and I'll probably get another one of these and just stack it on top. And that actually seems to be doing pretty nicely. If there's anything that I could change, or what I'm gonna change, is I just want to try and make that cable inside his enclosure look a bit better. And that should hopefully make things look a bit neater, and obviously gives me a little bit makes me a little bit more relaxed knowing that should it overheat, there's a protection to it where it should hopefully turn off. Anyways guys, that's from me for now. If you have any comments or any suggestions, please let me know, and like, comment and subscribe. Thanks guys, bye bye.